hard to see, but basically when I move my contact, the lights are going on and off. Now it's off, now it's on. Special thanks to the guy who shows that this stupid segmenting problem of the trip meter can be fixed just by resoldering the connections on the back of the board, as well as the light issue. It's not the module, it's just stupid damn connector which desoldered on the back. Usually it happens because it takes significant effort to take this cluster out of the old car. And that's why everything makes it crack, brittle. I mean, 24-year-old car, what you can expect. Of course, it's back to buy 1966 Chevy Bel Air with steel bezel and removable instruments. But anyways, it seems to be working. Except park LED is not working, but it's different story. So that's it.